Hi, welcome back to my tiny little kitchen setup. Today we're making Japanese curry because I've been craving something warm and comforting. And yes, everything is still happening on the floor. So I already chopped some things earlier. I start with a little bit of oil and then the onions. I just let them soften slowly. And then I add the ground beef. I always add a tiny splash of water when it sticks. It's just my little trick, so it doesn't burn. And once it's cooked, I pour in more water and then drop in the curry block. I use the instant one. And then the potatoes and carrots go in. I cut them kind of big because I like chunky curry. And then we let everything simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes while I stare at it like it's going to speed up if I watch closely. And I taste it like I'm judging myself on MasterChef. Add a little soy sauce, a bit of sugar, and when it gets thick and smells like comfort food should smell, I turn off the stove and we're gonna start plating. And that's my Japanese curry for today. If you try making Japanese curry too, let me know how yours turns out. Thanks for hanging out with me in my small setup kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!